Velora Gel Cushion is marketed as a seat cushion that supposedly reduces pressure, improves posture, relieves discomfort, and makes long periods of sitting far more comfortable. But the real question is, can it actually improve seating comfort? Now, to be fair, gel cushions are not fake products. Pressure distributing cushions have been used for years in office chairs, wheelchairs, cars, and everyday seating situations. What it does well may reduce pressure while sitting. Gel materials can help distribute weight more evenly across the seating surface, can feel more comfortable during long sitting sessions. Office workers, drivers, and gamers may appreciate additional cushioning. Where the hype falls apart, it won't magically fix back or posture problems. This is the biggest issue. A cushion can improve comfort, but it usually doesn't solve underlying causes of pain or poor posture. Comfort is highly personal. What feels amazing to one person may feel uncomfortable to another. It may flatten or wear over time. Long-term durability depends heavily on materials and build quality. So, can Velora Gel Cushion improve seating comfort? Short answer, yes, potentially. It may make sitting more comfortable and reduce pressure for some users, but expectations should stay realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.